Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke here on Aneke Budgets. And on here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off our debt, and mind our business, and not necessarily in those 4 orders, baby. So if you like it, get into it, okay? And you can do that by subscribing and turn your notification bell on so you can see every time I post. Like this video and leave your 2 cents, which is your comments, down in the comment box below, because baby, we love to see it, hear it, all the good things, okay? So as you guys can see, I am going to show you guys how I made my planner covers. These are all the planner covers that I made, child, for as little as under $5. That's really what it is. I made some of these planners for like $3, and that's including tax. I'm just telling you, get into it, okay? Now, there is some stuff that is just not going to be cheap, which is the hole puncher in itself. Like if you go on Amazon, I think they're like 10 bucks. So the hole puncher, which you're going to use forever, that would be one. But I am using the Happy Planner hole puncher right here, child. The new year came in and they had a sale, and baby, guess who got into it? Me. So I am using this for the hole puncher in itself. And then I did what do they call this thing again, when you like put them in plastic, and I forgot what it's called, but I'm pretty sure once I'm editing this video. So I did put this on it to seal it for some of the planners, so I did use those. And of course my heater thing, that's, I really don't remember what it's called, but y'all know, I'm gonna tell y'all gonna see. But anyways, y'all, yeah, some of these were made for $3, and then some stuff I just printed off the internet, and then some stuff, yeah, it was still $3. Oh my god, I'm out here saving y'all money. Not me saving y'all money in the new year. Okay, long intro, but without further ado, y'all, let's get into the video, and I can show y'all how I did this so y'all can get to see. Okay, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so welcome to Voiceover Aneke. So now I'm showing you guys all the products that I use to make these planner covers, y'all, which they were like under 20 bucks. And some of these things you're gonna keep in your house forever, some things you're not going to, but baby, okay, I'm gonna help you make these planners super simple. All right, okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is undo these pocket folders, because we need to make sure that they are letter size paper. That's what we need to resize them to, into a letter size paper. And so I'm going to use my paper cutter, and I'm just going to cut all of them down to a manageable size for me. And so that's what you need to do. Once that's complete, I am going to take my regular letter size paper, and here I'm using the Penny Challenge, which is a freebie down in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. And I'm going to use a piece of tape and put it on those pocket folders, the plastic portion, and then I'm going to cut those to the size of the actual letter size paper. Okay y'all, so step 2 is to cut our adhesive paper down to the size that you want. Now you can do this 2 ways. You can either use the letter size paper that you already have available, and you can cut out the adhesive paper to match the letter size paper. Now I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I think this is the harder one, and you have this option to do. or you can do the simpler one, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. But if you do the paper version, you do need to tape down all 4 sides, because child, this paper was moving and I was like, girl, get it together, or at least the paper should. And so once I taped it down, it was easier to cut. And here I'm using the scissors because some of you guys may not have the paper cutter, and I understand that. So yes, you can use scissors. It's just going to take a lot longer, just so you're aware, guys. Now this is the second option. What I do is that after I've cut out the paper folders to size, I basically just put the adhesive paper directly on the paper folders that I've cut out to letter size. And then I just paste those on, and I fold it on the back, and I paste those on again. So this is the lazy girl friendly version, which is all I'm here for. I'm here for the lazy girl friendly version. And I did use my super glue to hold those down because the sides can lift up, and we don't want none of that. So yes, that is the second option of how you do this. And because we're not wasting no paper or no coins, the portion that I'd cut off earlier, I'm using it again to basically fill out both sides of the planner. And then the one that has, the fold flat with no cuts will be the front, and then that will be the interior. And then look, I got 2 planner covers made easy for, this is a $3 portion, y'all. $3. Now, if you are a girl who likes specific things and you do not like the planners that you got or the designs that you got, then you can go on Pinterest. So I went on Pinterest and I found a picture that I really like because I'm making this planner for my best friend. And she is really like natural girl vibes. And so I found this picture for her. And I used Canva to basically clear out the background, and then use this brown reddish tone color that I knew she would like, and then put her favorite Bible verse on top of it. And I just created a whole cover, guys, just to print. And so that is what that looks like. And then to create the back, I'm not putting anything on the back, so all I did was the same color, delete the words and the picture from it, and then that is front and back of the planner. Super simple, super easy, and I feel like you can do this on any like website that offers this. So once you've printed out the picture, I am going to laminate it using my laminating sheet and machine, and this should make it come out super. This should give you a thick cover, y'all. That's what it should do. It should give you a thick cover, child, because that's what we need so that our papers don't tear every 2 seconds that we're using them. So I did laminate both the front and the back sheet like I showed you guys, and I also cut off the excess plastic from the laminating sheet because I did laminate it again on a second sheet because I wanted to make sure that it was extra thick and it would not be torn real easy. So once I'm done laminating the sheets and cutting them to size, then I hole punch them with my Happy Planner hole puncher, and y'all, that is it. That is it, and that is the cover. And that's literally how I make my covers, either for free or I was able to basically get them done super quick and super easy for the Lolo. Now, I did have all these things before. This is my disclaimer. I did have all these things before: my cutter, my laminating sheets, my laminator. I did have all of these before, so yes, I don't want y'all to think that I just bought these all at once. No, I've had these for like a minimum of 2 years. So that's why I was able to complete these. But again, you can go to the Dollar Tree, which is where I got the laminating sheet and where I got the file pocket, I believe that's what they're called, and that's where I got this for $1.25, and I was able to make these for the Lolo. So if you want to make these, go ahead and get into it, y'all. Okay guys, so that is how I basically made all my planner covers to include my planner cover. So go ahead and try it out. Let me know in the comment box how you liked it, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on, okay? And leave your 2 cents in the description below. I am doing a giveaway. I do have that giveaway video down in the description, so hit that up, as well as the freebies. And I hope you guys like this video. My name is Aneke. This is Aneke Budgets, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.